My name is Emma Brabbins. I work for BSI. I've been here for 3 years, and in my current role I'm Head of Internal Sales for our certification team. So my first encounter with influence business was not through choice. So BSI decided to bring influence business in. They had decided that we could improve our sales and the way that we worked. And honestly, I was quite resistant at the beginning. I felt we had a really good process. I felt that we were already working very well, and I had deep concerns about changing the way that we were working and having a negative impact on the team. So the first few days and weeks, I'd say, were challenging, particularly for me, but it was a really pleasant experience, and I was surprised, given how many years experience I had, even at that point, how much I learnt and how much I improved my own sales and my own sales management. When Influence Business came into BSI, I was assigned to work really closely with David over a 3-month period to look at different areas that could be supported and could be changed. Very first thing that we looked at was recruitment. So we started right back at the beginning to look at the kind of people that we were bringing into the business and how we could attract some really engaging, really competent people. So we worked on a completely new job advert, which had a huge impact, really, really positive impact. The advert was speaking to people and wasn't talking about what we needed so much as what we offered. And it meant that it was in itself an advert for our business, and it brought in some fantastic candidates. And it happened really quickly. It was only over the space of a few weeks before we started to have some really fantastic people applying. There are lots of different areas that I've learnt over the course of the training. I could definitely talk about a language within the business and being able to engage with my sellers and talk to them with the same language and the same content. So when I talk about framing, and the team understand that. When I talk about using Socratic technique, the team understand that. When we talk about NLP or influence or all the other areas, everyone talks with the same language. It's obviously a very complicated business with a lot of different teams, but I can definitely see an impact in sales in my particular area. I took a new role in January 2019 as head of sales, and within my team I had a lot of new starters, all of who have been through the influence training, and I had a phenomenal off the charts experience with H1 in 2019. We exceeded all of our targets.